finished?
Yes, we should be writing this all down.
There's only one problem with, what are you talking about? There's only one problem. Yes, we did not move from the first problem at all. We're on the same exact problem. We don't move on to another chapter until we finish chapter before. We can't go to problem 2 because we did not finish problem 1. Who has the answer? Okay. What answer do you have?
22,451.
Is this the answer, class? What did you get?
22,353.
What did you get? 37,000. What did you say again? 45? Class. Yes. Excuse me. No, please speak. You also have this answer here. Class. This is easy, right? This is easy, right? Who said this was easy again? Sir, what did you get? What answer did you get? You didn't do this yet. But it's easy. What have you been doing this whole time? So what answer? You don't have anything yet.
Oh yeah, I got that answer now. I have everything but the answer.
Yes. Class. Excuse me. Class. What answer did you get? You didn't get the answer yet? Okay. I want you to go back to the cube strategy part. I want you to go back to what we wrote into. This is why we use the cube strategy. This is the answer for combining the red roses together. Once we get this answer, we have to add it to this answer. Once we get this answer, we have to add it to the pink. So this is all the red that was sold, and then we have to add the red to the pink. The question says, how many pink and red roses did the City Flower shop sell all together? It didn't just ask for red roses, it asked for all the roses together. This is why we evaluate. Do this with me, class. What are we doing? We are evaluating and eliminating. Okay? So, very good attempt. Very good attempt. You just missed one step. This is why the tape diagram helps us. Do we understand, class?
Yes, chicken.
So, we're going to do the next one together. Okay?
And one second, Mr. Conway. So, how do you think it will be for Hannah to learn if Mr. Conway has to keep stopping his lesson and speaking? So while Mr. Conway does this one together with you, let's keep our zeros on so he does not have to stop. And also, this will help you at home. You can watch back Mr. Conway teaching. So no words while he does this next one, please.
Yes, sir.
What next one?
The next one is doing the next page.
What next project?
And again, class, we add the red roses together to the pink roses, and this is how we came with this answer.
I don't know what page you're talking about.
I'm going to show
We
you.
did this one too.
Yes, we did, but did you notice? Excuse me, did you get this answer? Here? Did you get this answer? We're going over the same thing to also show you how consistently this will help us get the same answer. That's what math is. It's gonna help watch it, mess up on it. It's gonna help us get the same answer. Yes. Okay. So
Right, turn around, ask your front.
let's go to the next one.
I think so.
The next one, Brandon, you ready? Problem 2? Okay.
Remember, we circled, we underlined, box, key, math words. And then we have to solve and double check. So, you have another question. Problem 2. Solve a two-step word problem using a tape diagram and assess the reasonableness of this answer. Remember what we said last time? Sir? Sleeping Beauty? Remember? Assess the reasonableness of the answer. What are they asking us to do here? They're asking us to round. Remember? Class, do you remember? Beautiful. Now I want you to do the same thing. We're going to do this together. I want you to do it first, and then you're going to help me. You're going to help me put the information in the cube strategy part. So, everybody, you can work with a partner if you need to. Okay? Work with a partner. Figure out the information that goes in the circle. Figure out the information that goes that's underlined. Figure out the information that is boxed. The key information that is boxed. Let's evaluate it and eliminate it. Sir, it's not our class. We're going to do that.
Okay, online learners, now this is your time to solve. And then go over the answer together.
Y'all can work together. You can work together. You have a question, ask somebody. I expect that since you guys are all mathematicians, we're all going to get this right. We're going to help each other.
We're not.
We got 5 minutes.
My mom is.
Your mom is, excuse me?
What
Your mom's a
the?
mathematician? She's a genius. Sir.
My mom's a biology major.
Genius.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm putting on the 5-minute timer. It starts now. Let's begin.
Excuse me, sir. What are we doing?
Please do not forget
What are we
this
doing,
is
sir? What are we
recorded.
doing? What are we doing, ma'am?
Booyah.
I'm doing this while I kept on driving my pencil.
I understand. All I want you to do is put the information inside the chart. That's all I'm asking you to do. I'm not asking you to solve anything. I'm asking you to put the information in the chart. Information in the chart. I'm sorry? If you finish the chart part, you can begin. Yes. What does that mean? What is that? I forget. Go ahead.
You should be talking about math words, not things that aren't
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let me get this. Let me get that. Excuse me. I need the information. What do I need? Do I need right now?
This is going home and then sign.
Excuse me?
Communication log you had, same thing.
There you go. Now bring the garbage to you. What are we doing? Again, class, the instructions are, all I need you to do is put the information inside the chart because we are learning to use the cube strategy. That is our focus today.
Mr. Conway, do you know how to sew?
I don't answer anything but math questions at this moment.
It is a math question.
Do I know how to sew?
Focus on your work.
I'll answer that as soon as you do what you gotta do. Excuse me. When you need garbage thrown out, you request a teacher and you bring the garbage to you. You cannot have people walking around. How many minutes we have in time on this arm?
You have 1 minute exactly.
1 minute exactly.
Brandon, your chart's not filled out. Why are you keeping it out?
Is Hannah here?
No, I think she lost internet. That's why I had to record.
Or maybe she just struck.
Are we filling out the chart?
Yeah, keep going. Good job, Isaac. I love how I hear you talking about math. Good job.
Welcome back.
Hey, sweetheart. So you're on slide 2 right now? And you're just putting the right information in the box. You have a question? Okay. What's your question? All right, that was the timer, Mr. C. So you can go ahead and go over the answer.
Who finished the chart?
I don't know what to do for evaluate or eliminate.
Evaluate and eliminate. So let's. Did you ask your neighbors what to do?
I don't know my partner here.
Anyone you could have reached could have been your partner. So, yes.
Is that music? No, it's Facebook.
Okay. What goes, excuse me. Go ahead. What goes in C?
So Jake, turn around. So what goes in C, Jake?
What goes in C? Yes.
32,736 and 7,295.
Okay. Tell me what is underlined. What is underlined? I'm sorry, I can't hear this noise. Speak again.
How many people bought bus tickets over the weekend?
Tickets over the weekend. So I'm gonna just abbreviate bus tickets over the weekend. Right? Okay. What is boxed? Someone else. What is boxed?
Two things. So, what is boxed is tape diagram
Mm-hmm.
and, yeah, that's,
Tape diagram. What else is boxed?
wait, can I just back?
You have to wait because someone's out.
Dylan.
What else is boxed?
Ask why. If somebody tells you something, you just say okay.
What else is boxed, class? What else is boxed? Yes. You don't know what's boxed? Did you read the question? Did you fill out the chart?
Well, yes and no.
Someone tell me. What other information is boxed? No one filled this part out yet?
Oh, wait, I did.
Please tell me.
Brown.
Round? Well, that's not in the question to be boxed. We know is you are correct. It is in the instructions. We know that part. Good answer, sir.
Two things. 32,736 more bus tickets were sold on Sunday, and then tape diagram.
definition problem. What do we have for E? Who got up to E?
I did, I just didn't know what to write.
You didn't know what to write. So we're going to evaluate. We're going to evaluate. Do this. We're going to evaluate and eliminate.
Oh, I didn't know Mr. Conway was making extra noise too. I didn't hear those extra words.
We're going to evaluate and eliminate. We circled, we underlined, we boxed key information. Now we have evaluate and eliminate. So we're evaluating the information that's necessary. I also like more bus tickets were sold on Saturday. More bus tickets were sold than on Sunday. That's important information. What else is there? That's critical. That's how we know how to make this take diagram. What are we eliminating? I feel like everything is really important in this question, actually. This is going to help us with our take diagram. So, class. Yes.
Assets, I think.
Assess.
Yes.
Assess. Yes. That is also important in the instructions. So now, we're up to what we got to do now. What's the last word in our strategy? Sorry, say it again.
Solve and double check.
Solve and double check. Class, really quick with me. What are we doing again? Do the motions with me. Everybody. I need to see everybody doing this. I don't see you doing this.
Circle important numbers.
Circle important numbers. Then we underline. What are we underlining?
He's safe. He's safe.
He is safe. Yes, but we right now. But this is safe. Then let's do this underline. Okay? Underline. All right. What are we underlining, class?
Important information.
We're boxing key what?
Math words.
We're boxing key what?
Math words.
What are we boxing? Key. Boxing key math words. You know what my favorite is? What are we doing? Excuse me? Excuse me, what are we doing? Excuse me, what are we doing? We're up to the E, what are we doing? I need this motion done. So, this is easy, right, class? Remember, you keep saying that too? I know. Let's utilize the information. Let's utilize the information we put in our chart to help us solve this. Yes, you can use the bathroom.
Kira, great job working silently.
Someone has an answer already? I need to see this done. Excuse me, what are you doing, sir? What are you doing? Are we solving this problem? What are we doing? Are we solving this problem? Let's go. That's what we're here for. We're here to save the day. Are we solving this problem? You solving this problem? You solved the problem already? You solving the problem? This is what we're here for.
Wow, we already solved the problem.
You solving the problem? This is easy, right? Alright, let's see. Let's see what you're doing.
So Hannah, now you're solving. Excuse me, Hannah cannot hear me when you're talking.
Stop.
You have about 15 to 20 more minutes of math. Finish up strong. So Hannah, now we are. That's the second time I had to stop Hannah.
So did you put the information
So Hannah, now you're solving problem 2 on the Jamboard. You're solving problem 2 on the Jamboard. Okay, there's no reason I should hear voices. I'm not sure if we're gonna have snack. I don't really see good math behavior. I don't think you earned it.
Excuse me,
So you're
turn
still
around.
turning on. Yeah, that was a show. That's on your timer to watch. So Will, I'm not sure why you're turning around again. You can't be turning around. Solve the problem, please. So did you check the work? Make sure you
I
check the
sold
work.
it and then I ground it and then I checked more.
Alright, so you should still be turning around. Okay.
Can I use the bathroom? She's so saving.
You just went at 8:45, so not right now.
I didn't. Not yet.
So you have to go to the bathroom a half hour later.
I can now.
You finished?
Yeah.
Who has finished this, solving? Not yet, not just yet.
Oh.
Okay. You finished this, you said?
Yes.
So based on the information that's in the chart, in the tape diagram, what else do I do from this point? I know 17,295 tickets were sold. Tell me the process. Tell me the process.
Basically what I did was 32,736 plus 17,295.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I added it together and I got 45,031. What? 49,000. I got 49.
What did you get?
No, he's asking what you got there.
What did you get? I'm sorry?
45,031.
45,031.
Yep.
Okay. Then,
And then that's basically all we did.
that's all you have?
Yep.
Okay.
And I
The
got
question asks again, the reason why we use the cube strategy, it helps us organize the information we need to solve. It said how many,
I also underlined the second.
yes. So how many people bought bus tickets over the weekend? The weekend. This is only on, what day is this?
Sunday.
What day is this?
Sunday.
Sunday, it said on Sunday, only 17,000 tickets were sold. On Saturday, it said 32,736 more bus tickets were sold than on Sunday. And then it tells us the amount of tickets that were sold on Sunday. This is why we have the tape diagram. We know that this is the same number as Sunday. Excuse me?
I have tape diagram.
Okay. And there's, so you just added these two numbers together.
Yeah.
Again, class, this is why we use the tape diagram. When we use the tape diagram, we put information in front of us. You just put this information and this information. You missed the whole day. It said how many people bought bus tickets over the weekend. So this is what I want you to do now. Let me see your. So I want you to put. I want you to add this. I want you to add 17,295 to this answer.
17,000?
Yes. What answer did you fill out the problem? What is the answer? Did anyone else get the answer? Yes. You raise your hand. Okay, class. understand the strategy.
That's enough. Keep your hands still, eyes up front, and we're done with the show. Great, look how many times.
Class, together. I want you to repeat the strategy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. You've only been to school for a shower, I had to stop you.
Oh my god, it feels like forever.
Oh.
Repeat the strategy after me, class. Everyone. Everyone.
Circle. Circles.
Stop.
Now.
Together. Everybody.
Circle important number.
Everybody. Let me see motion.
Circle.
Stop. Stop. I said everyone. Are you ready? Let's go. You ready? Circle.
Underline the question.
What is it? Let me see. Stop. I'm talking. I said, let me see the box. Let me see B again.
Box next keywords.
Box what?
Box keywords.
Box keywords. Box keywords. Key map words. Sir, what is, excuse me, stop. What is E? Look on your chart. What is E? Evaluate and you have 5 minutes. Excuse me. You have 5 minutes to do this one on your own. This is graded.
Wait, what? Where? Oh no. On the back.
Problem 3. On the back.
Yes. I'm sorry?
You don't have to chart, it's okay.
It's okay because you know what's the whole point of the chart is for you to understand what's a circle. You can always use it one up front if you like. The questions up here.
Oh, hi, Hannah, are you here? So Hannah, the class has 5 minutes. They're not speaking until 9:30, then we're moving on. So Hannah, we're doing problem 3 by ourselves. Are you here, Hannah? Please turn your camera on. Whoever's speaking will lose a dojo point because I said it twice. Hannah, are you here? We're doing problem 3, Hannah. Oh, hi, honey. Sorry, I didn't realize our classroom was muted.
Oh.
I'm sorry, sweetheart, it was muted. So we're just doing problem 3 on your Jamboard, the last problem on your own. Thank you, sweetheart. So we have until 9:30. So I'm taking away dojo points from 3 students so far. Shushing people counts as speaking.
Remember, the tape diagram helps us see the information in front of us. That's why we use the tape diagram. It helps us comprehend what we're reading. It helps us organize what we're reading.
look all the numbers. This is getting a grade.
This makes no sense.
Makes perfect sense. Everything makes perfect sense. You're having fooling around.
This makes sense, and this is a question we have done already. We have actually done this 2 times already.
What? The same question?
The same exact question we have done twice.
Is it the same exact answer?
It must be if it's the same exact.
Question, it's the same exact.
I don't need all this conversation. I do not. This is getting graded. You have a few minutes left.
I'm never gonna complete this.
You cannot win if you automatically have a defeated mindset. I will help you out and tell you that that is not the answer. Excuse me? What are you talking? There's no talking. Right? This is not partnership. This is all individual. You finished?
I'm done.
Let me see. I can tell you that that is not the answer. The only thing I'm gonna help you with, class, is that there is more to the addition than just picking these numbers and adding them. This is why we use the tape diagram once again.
Earlier.
No, I did say that earlier, but the 2 previous examples, plus all the examples we've done the week before.
So it's not just addition that.
It is addition, excuse me. It is addition. The tape diagram helps us understand what we have to look for. The tape diagram is a strategy, or is a tool rather, that helps us discover the answer. So if you just added these up,
Yes, I did.
that is not the answer. That is not what the question is asking you.
So what do you do?
You're not giving the answer, are you? You should. Good. You know. Handle your business. No, go ahead. That's all the information I can give you. It's not a discussion. Corey,
Yes.
what are we doing?
Problem. Good job, John. I see you working very hard over there.
We have 2 minutes.
Yep.
I'm actually extending the time and I shouldn't.
I don't understand.
Use the tape diagram. This is why we can't speak when Mr. Conway is giving a lesson.
Yes, sir, in the corner.
I finished.
Beautiful thing. Sir, with your hand up.
Oh, wrong.
Okay, there's going to be an echo, so just hold on.
Everyone okay? Do you have any questions?
Guys, stop.
Still being recorded. It is.
Yes, it is.
Close. This is why we use the tape diagram. You think it's what?
Huh?
I'm sorry, you think the tape diagram is?
It's great. I love it. It's my stepbrother.
It doesn't matter if you like it or not, you have to learn it.
I really
So
don't like
Frank,
it.
turn around, and grab the zeros out and let's go.
We have 1 more minute.
Oh, I give up. I give up.
Yes. You're done? Beautiful thing. You had your hand up, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
I really don't like to take that now.
And it's okay. You know what I don't like doing? Let me tell you what I don't like doing. I don't like running. Right? I don't like working out.
Yeah,
But I like how it helps me with other things. The things that are good for you aren't always going to be what you like. And the fact is that the tape diagram helps you understand what you have to do.
But is there really any point of it? I mean, it's just.
That is the point of it. We're not here to argue because the tape diagram has shown to help people solve problems. That's what this is about. You're learning you learn to use different tools to help you solve problems.
I know.
Pencils down.
It's already down.
Very close. Ooh. Very
Mr.
close.
Conway will grade these, and then he'll give them back to you by the end of the day, so you can
Definitely.
use these at home.
Nope.
I feel like part of